Hey guys, so I know I said we wouldn't make another video for a while, but it's the adverts and I'm a bit bored, so I thought I'd make one. So would you like a base? There, Build Bears. So I was making my Build Bear video, I found a Build Bear I hadn't done, and I was so shocked when I saw her. Okay, so this is Poppy. Now look at this Build Bear, you're going to be shocked. Pink Poodle, it's like her long lost bigger sister. I was just so surprised when I found her. Now she's called Gemma Rosette, and I got her when I was in year 3, which is 2nd grade. And we meant to go with my dad, but my dad was at work. We meant to go out with him. It was summer holidays, so me and my mum went shopping and she brought me her. She was £18. It was about $20, I'm not positive though. And yeah, and she's called Gemma Rivette because my nan and granddad have a poodle called Gemma. And then I used to be obsessed, I used to really like this, if you heard of Most Haunted, it's Lady Prudencia, Yvette Fielding. I used to be absolutely mad about her. And the person who staffed her for me laughed at her name, which really annoyed me. But seriously, look how much they are alike. They're just so cute, they're both pink. And they're poodles, and they look quite alike when you look at them, don't they? They're the same noses, I was just so surprised. So yeah, it's generally that, and that's Polly. So I thought I'd show that. So that is actually as well for my bed. Yeah, I've really messed up my bed now. Look. It's awful. My mum and dad are not really very impressed. So yeah, there's my tea and little puggy. Okay guys, so for a night, I'm just going to leave this for a second, so you're just going to have to look at it. I'm going to show you this really funny career. This last year, Elvis the chicken with a blue tail. No one else I know has one, and it's really funny. Got him TK Maxx. Isn't he cute? So yeah, I kind of need to go sort out my bed, move my toys, so I can actually get in it in a couple of hours, basically. So yeah, I just had to show you them because they're so alike, it's scary. And now my bed is really messy, very annoying, and so yeah, I'm gonna go now, so bye!